Yes, I mean, honestly, this is an amazing country. There's so much to offer from here. Hopefully, this is the first of many events we're going to do. British artists. We're going to bring some from Dubai, from UK, from America to come here, and we're going to bridge the gap between the two. First thing is the people are very, very friendly, very smiling. Everyone is very welcoming. We say in English. I think the food is great, scenery is beautiful. It's a lovely place. So I've been to similar places in the ocean like Mauritius, Reunion, but this is the first time I've been here. I think it's the first time there's a Bollywood show happening for a while in this country. It's Indian fusion, I'd say. It's Bollywood mixed with English, R&B and pop music, but I have a brand new song which came out last week. It's my first time singing it ever in the world, so it's a brand new world exclusive today. I think it's going to be a fun event. It's the first time they've had this kind of experience with a gala dinner. So I think it'll be a good mixture of good vibes, music, partying, dinner, everything. So yes, I mean, being born in the East but brought up in the West, I think it's been my sound has been always a fusion of East and West. So it's always a mixture of Hindi or Punjabi or Tamil. It's like South Indian languages mixed with English, R&B. I think my main kind of sound has always been a mixture of these two cultures. Mixing Eastern and Western cultures. My job is I see the world. I've been to every continent, done shows in Africa, South America, Australia, Asia, North America. So I think I've seen the world, which is a blessing, and I've learned so much about cultures, from other parts of the world. Travel for me is the best thing about my job, and being here is amazing. I mean, African music I think has many similarities with Indian music. Very, very cultural similarities, I think. So I think being here is great. So yeah, hopefully we can merge some sounds from here with my sounds as well. I'd love to, yes. I mean, I'm here for 2 more days, so if we can arrange a studio session, when I'm down. I think the culture, honestly, being proud of where you're from, to represent your own sound, your own culture. I think the world is embracing global sound. So if you're from this country, I'm sure there's an audience that will love this sound. So just be proud of who you are and what you represent, and just bring that to the world. And use TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. Yes, I mean, honestly, this is an amazing country. There's so much to offer from here. Hopefully, this is the first of many events we're going to do. British artists. We're going to bring some from Dubai, from UK, from America to come here, and we're going to bridge the gap between the two. So yeah, so big thank you to Amina for having me here. It's a vision you've had, Ami vision, to bring artists from Bollywood, from the UK to your country, your home country.
We love challenge in Ami vision, and today we want to create something never happens, because we want to be different than other promoters in the world. Unfortunately today, we need to be honest, some people don't know exactly where Madagascar is located. So I want to break this barrier, so show the people we have the beautiful country. My vision is to bring the next artist to come to Madagascar for making the show and all.